Hi y'all, I'm Chase. This is my 2021 Harley-Davidson Pan America Special, affectionately known as Wichita, and man, she looks great. Just had a nice little ride. It's well, it's late October and it's not too cold today, so I got it out. Now let's put some fuel in her. I didn't get a whole long ride in today. Kind of had some other things to do, but yeah, let's do it. Alright, let's see what we're at. 69.1, and we got 1.5. We're at 46.06. Yes, it is winter gas time, and oh man, it's getting windy. I think it's about to rain. Thankfully, I'm almost home. Like, comment, subscribe, click that bell to be notified of any videos I'm coming out with, and bye y'all.